is Sunday here at the Oasis, the global headquarters of the Galley of the Sun, and I've decided that on Friday I wish to dine on Hatch Green Chile honey tri-tip. So I've got to do a little bit of work today. Now this is a crazy easy recipe, but going to be crazy delicious. So let's get our marinade together. Really simple. First of all, a gallon of raw honey. Now, why raw honey? What's so special about that? Well, my friends, raw honey has not been pasteurized, which means they haven't taken the heat way up on it. What does that do for you? Well, raw honey has about 20 different amino acids and 30 different minerals in it. But you'll lose a lot of those when you heat up, particularly the amino acid protease, which is excellent for breaking down meat fibers. So that's why I use the raw stuff. So into my briner bucket goes 1 gallon of honey. And if you have problems finding it, I got this from Costco. There will be a link down below. And then in with the honey goes an entire 3.3 ounce container of chili flakes. I have chosen to use Flatiron Chili Company's Hatch Valley Green. This has Hatch Green chilies, jalapeños, and habaneros in it. Now, well, I just spilled some, but is this going to make this spicy? No, not too spicy. The honey is going to work to counteract a lot of that heat, but we're going to get some incredible flavor from those chilies. So, in it goes. Now we shall stir to mix. Being careful not to inhale at the wrong time, like I did. All right, that is sufficiently mixed. Now in goes our beautiful tri-tip roasts. If you're going to do this, I recommend you do at least 2 of them because you're already using a gallon of honey and an entire container of chili flakes, so you might as well get the most bang for your buck. So those are in. Now I put my plate on the top to push the meat down and make sure it's submerged. And now after I wash my honeyed hand, this will go into the refrigerator for 5 days. So we'll see you Friday when it's time to fire up the grill and find out how good this is. See you then. Today is the day. We got the tri-tips out of the honey and they're looking absolutely amazing. I seasoned them up with some Hatch Green Chile rub from the Green Chile Pepper Company, a family-owned local company. I'll have a link down below in the description section so you can check them out. They sell these Hatch Green Chile pistachios that I'm absolutely addicted to and I order all the time. So give them a try. So as you can see, the fire's going. I have my grates to a point to where I can only hold my hand there for about 8 to 10 seconds. That is the maximum heat you want on these tri-tips. Because they've been sitting in honey for 5 days, I expect it to be very easy to burn the outside of these. So we want to cook them sort of slow. The plan is to take these up to about 125, 130 degrees, then pull them off and let them rest so we get a perfect medium rare. So when they hit about 90 degrees, we'll give them a flip. But let me go grab those and let's get them on. All right, as you can see, these are looking absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to tear into these. So let's get them on. So I expect this cook to take about an hour. I'll let you know how long it takes, but you know, it's going to depend on where your 8 to 10 seconds is, how hot your fire is, etc., etc. So we'll get you a ballpark number. So the tri-tip is done, it's been resting. Let's get that sliced up. As always with tri-tip, you want to slice it thin and against the grain. And tri-tip is very good about showing you exactly where the grain is. So I can clearly see it's running this way. So we're starting getting our slices here. And we got a good warm pink center there, perfect medium rare. So speaking of perfect, let's bring in our judge Charlotte and find out how this Hatch Green Chile honey tri-tip is. Alrighty, got a couple small pieces for you there.
This one?
Yep.
You can definitely taste the sweet from the honey.
Okay. Do you get anything from the Hatch Green Chili flakes?
Yeah, it's kind of like just a little zing.
Okay, so it mellowed it out well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's very good.
Hatch Green Chili Honey Tri-Tips. It is absolutely worth the wait and worth buying a gallon of raw honey.
Yeah, except now we'll go to Costco instead of Amazon.
Oh, there we go. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.